In this chapter, let us know about Python math. Python has a set of built-in math functions, including an extensive math modules that allows you to perform mathematical tasks on numbers. Built-in math functions. The minute and maximum functions can be used to find the lowest or highest values in an iterable. For example, see here minimum and maximum. See here the result is 5 and 25. The adds function returns the absolute positive value of the specified number. See the example, adds function 7.25. The xy functions returns the values of x to the power of y, x to the power of y. Return the value of 4 to the power of 3, same as 4 into 4 into 4. See here power of 4 3, this is 64. Math module. Python has also a built-in module called math, which extends the list of mathematical functions. To use it, you must import the math module. Import math. When you have imported the math module, you can start using methods and constants of the module. The math.squaret method, for example, returns the square root of a number. See here math.squaret, that is square root. This is 8.0. The math.sale method rounds a number upwards to its nearest integer, and the math.floor method rounds a number downwards to its nearest integer and returns the result. Example, see here. Here import math library math.sale 1.4, round a number upwards to its nearest integer. See here 2. Math.floor 1.4, round a number downward to its nearest integer 1. See, returns 2, returns 1. The math.py constant returns the value of pi 3.14. Import math, x is equal to math.py. See here the result is 3.14, something like that. You can learn complete math in math module reference video from our website. In our math module reference, you will find a complete reference of all methods and constants that belongs to the math module. Okay friends, this is the end of part 28 math. In next video, let us learn about another topic, JSON. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.